The Larson Electronics HLO EX30A 3P4W480V.3P explosion-proof receptacle is recommended for use in Class 1 Division 2, Class 1 Zones 1 and 2, Class 2 Divisions 1 and 2, and Class 3 work sites. This 30-amp rated outlet comes in a 3-pole, 4-wire configuration with 480-volt AC compatibility. Constructed of polyamide, the NEMA-rated unit features IP66 protection. This unit is designed for secure electrical connections in hazardous locations. This NEMA-rated unit features non-metallic, fiber-reinforced polyester construction and specially designed color coding and pin configuration that reduces the possibility of making incorrect power connections. A 1-inch NPT hub is available at the bottom of the outlet. Applications include manufacturing, industrial, warehouse, lighting, motor generator sets, compressors, wet areas, or locations where combustible dust, fibers, or flying are present, or where explosive gases or vapors may be present. Here are the class divisions and ratings. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.